Tom Thumb's alphabet. A was an archer who shot at a frog. B was a butcher who had a great dog. C was a captain, all covered with lace. D was a drummer who played with grace. E was an esquire with pride on his brow. F was a farmer who followed the plough. G was a gamester who had but ill luck. H was a hunter who hunted a buck. I was an Italian who had a white mouse, whom John the footman drove from the house. K was a king, so mighty and grand. L was a lady who had a white hand. M was a miser who hoarded up gold. N was a nobleman, gallant and bold. O was an organ boy who played for his bread. P, a policeman of bad boys that read. Q was a Quaker who would not bow down. R was a robber who prowled about town. S was a sailor who spent all he got. T was a tinker who mended the pot. U V was a veteran who never knew fear. W was a waiter with dinner in store. X was expensive and so became poor. Y was a youth who did not like school. Z was a zany who looked a great fool.